Home Agent is now available in AI Playground, allowing you to run AI Playground remotely from the Telegram chat application. Let's walk through how to get this working. First, check that your AI Playground installation is version 3.1.1 beta. You can see this in the footer of AI Playground here. If not 3.1.1, go to intel.com/AI-playground to download and install the latest version. Note, in the App Settings Setup Wizard, you will not see an option for Home Agent. That is because the feature is hidden. To unhide the feature, first shut down AI Playground. Next, you'll find the AI Playground icon on your desktop. Right-click on it and select Open File Location. Open the Resources folder, then open the settings.json file. Once open, edit the line referencing Home Agent. Change the value from false to true. Save and close this file. Now you can relaunch AI Playground and finish setup. Go to App Settings. You will notice a new backend status for Home Agent. Select Setup Wizard, make sure Home Agent is switched on, select Install and continue. Before we can set up Home Agent, you first need to install the Telegram chat application on your phone. Once installed, launch Telegram and search BotFather. There may be more than one BotFather. BotFather will have a verified checkmark. I've shared my phone to my PC so you can see how BotFather will work. Here's an existing conversation with BotFather. Type /start to get initial instructions to use BotFather. The command we want to use is /newbot. This command will walk you through the steps needed to get the API key for AI Playground. Let's get this going for this PC. I'll type /newbot in the chat. This is running my PC with a B60 installed. I'll call this chat Playground B60. I'll type in a similar username for the bot. BotFather has provided me an API key. Add this API key to AI Playground. Now click Detect. Oops, I see I did not start this bot on my phone. I've done that by selecting the link from BotFather to open the chat and clicked Start. Let me get these windows side by side so this will be easier to follow. Now click Send Message to Test, and we have a message in Telegram. It's working. We are ready to try Home Agent. How about testing AI Playground chat from Telegram? Let's ask why water expands when it freezes. We can see AI Playground on my PC is loading Quen 3VL. And we have an answer in AI Playground and in our Telegram app. How about generating an image of a cute puppy? We can see AI Playground is writing a prompt and calling Comfy UI to get this done. And we have a cute puppy in our Telegram chat. So let's try something different. Let's take a photo from my phone and edit it using AI Playground. Here's a photo of my dog at the beach. Let's fix this photo by removing people in the background using Edit by Prompt feature in AI Playground. The photo and prompt are sent to AI Playground. Again, Comfy UI is loaded, and this will use the Flux.2 Klein model to edit my photo. And it has done it and delivered it to my phone. I now have a good clean image of Molly at the beach. No need to travel with an AI PC or burn token cost in the cloud to make use of powerful AI tools. You can make use of any of the features from AI Playground while on the road, even at the beach. Have fun exploring AI Playground Home Agent.